So I thought I would do a quick comparison of these two different clogs. We've got one from Nautica and one from Realtree. While there's some similarities between these two, they're actually quite a bit different in style, thickness, and how they fit. As you can see, the Nautica style of clog has slots or holes on the top with a strap there in the back that goes around the ankle, where the Realtree clog has holes on the top but then no ankle strap. I also noticed the Nautica clog is a little bit thicker on the bottom and the material is more rigid, where the Realtree clog is more flexible and a little bit thinner on the sole as well. This also makes the Nautica clog weigh a little bit more than the one from Realtree. Nautica also comes in several different colors or styles, where the Realtree only comes in the camo style. They both have pretty good tread there on the bottom as well. Which one has better traction is sort of a toss-up. Both appear to be pretty good quality as far as how they look and feel, but it's pretty obvious when wearing them that the Nautica has a little more cushion on the bottom, which I like because that typically wears down over time. Both of these are size 13, but the Realtree clog fits my foot a little bit more snug, where the Nautica clogs feel almost like half a size too big, although some people may like that, especially if you have wider feet. Now, because they fit differently, the Nautica clog is going to be easier to get on and off, plus they have the strap on the back if you want them to feel a little bit tighter. I noticed the Realtree clogs fit a little more snug on the sides as well, so it's going to take a little bit more effort to get those on and off, but it may just come down to personal preference on how you like them to fit. Plus, if you wear socks, that's going to change a little bit how they fit as well. Oh, and try not to mind my sock lines here. Some people may say I wear my socks just a little too tight, but hopefully this gave you a little closer look at these two different types of clogs from Nautica and Realtree.